Hello everyone. Today's video is about countries having most military air bases worldwide. Before starting, make sure to subscribe our channel. Belgium controls 3 air bases, ensuring strategic coverage across its NATO commitments and region. Sudan operates 3 military air bases to support internal defense and air surveillance operations. Serbia maintains 3 small air bases, focused on regional defense and military readiness. Colombia's 3 air bases support domestic missions and training in challenging terrain and borders. Sweden uses 4 air bases to monitor Arctic approaches and northern European airspace effectively. Tunisia holds 4 active air bases mainly focused on national security and patrol missions. UAE manages 4 bases equipped for both local and regional security operations. Belarus retains 4 strategic air bases inherited from Soviet-era military expansion plans. Hungary operates 4 air bases, facilitating training exercises and joint missions with NATO allies. Kazakhstan holds 4 wide-ranging air bases stretching across its vast Central Asian territory. Czech Republic has 5 key air bases supporting NATO infrastructure and domestic air patrols. Yemen manages 5 air bases, many affected by recent conflict and regional tensions. Chile maintains 5 strategic air bases used for coastal defense and mountainous regions. Romania runs 5 air bases essential for NATO's eastern border and surveillance tasks. Spain's 5 air bases help secure Mediterranean air routes and NATO commitments. Bangladesh operates 6 active air bases to ensure air sovereignty and military coordination. Jordan has 6 air bases used for tactical support and joint operations with allies. Peru runs 6 air bases supporting defense in both Andes Mountains and jungle areas. Finland controls 6 air bases, vital for northern defense and training in cold climates. Netherlands maintains 6 strategic air bases, often used for NATO deployments and air support. Norway uses 6 air bases positioned across its long coastlines and Arctic defense zones. Azerbaijan's 6 air bases help secure its borders and bolster regional air capacity. Poland operates 6 advanced air bases for NATO coordination and Eastern European security. Angola runs 7 air bases spread across its provinces to monitor regional stability. Libya has 7 air bases, though many were damaged or abandoned due to conflict. Japan maintains 7 air bases supporting defense readiness and US-Japan military cooperation. Ethiopia runs 8 air bases enabling reach across diverse terrain and border surveillance. Myanmar operates 8 air bases, many focused on internal threats and regional control. Argentina has 8 active air bases covering southern airspace and the Atlantic region. South Korea maintains 8 fortified air bases close to its tense northern neighbor. Nepal's 9 air bases assist in mountainous patrols and humanitarian air missions. Bolivia holds 9 air bases across its rugged terrain and Amazonian regions. Morocco runs 9 air bases key for desert patrols and coastal surveillance. Greece operates 9 air bases to support NATO and regional airspace control. Philippines maintains 9 air bases essential for island security and disaster response. South Africa's 9 air bases aid maritime control and southern air defense strategy. Croatia has 10 air bases positioned for joint exercises and Balkan regional stability. Venezuela maintains 10 national air bases with limited modernization due to sanctions. Australia operates 10 well-equipped air bases across its vast continental landmass. Portugal's 11 air bases include forward NATO posts and national defense hubs. Germany holds 11 advanced air bases, many integrated into NATO's defense structure. Canada runs 11 major air bases including Arctic-ready and rapid deployment facilities. Brazil maintains 12 air bases covering Amazon jungle, coastlines, and urban centers. Cuba operates 13 military air bases with a focus on internal air control. Uzbekistan's 13 air bases are a holdover from its Soviet military legacy. Malaysia runs 14 air bases located across peninsular and East Malaysian territory. Algeria operates 15 air bases aiding border control and desert monitoring efforts. Saudi Arabia's 15 air bases support defense and host foreign allied forces. Italy maintains 16 strategic air bases facilitating Mediterranean operations and NATO tasks. Vietnam controls 17 airbases, mostly focused on South China Sea activities. Iran's 17 airbases are central to its defense and regional deterrence efforts. Mexico operates 18 airbases assisting internal missions and drug enforcement operations. France holds 18 bases with advanced tech supporting global and domestic air power. Sri Lanka runs 20 airbases used mainly for coastal and training missions. Syria operates 20 airbases, some used by allied foreign forces. Turkey has 21 airbases, playing a major role in NATO's southern defense. Ukraine's 25 bases have seen increased activity during recent conflicts. Thailand maintains 28 air bases, ensuring reach across its archipelago and borders. Egypt operates 31 air bases, enabling strong control over Middle Eastern skies. Israel holds 32 modern air bases used for rapid response and regional strikes. Iraq runs 37 air bases, some rebuilt post-conflict for modern defense operations. Indonesia manages 39 air bases across its many islands for patrol and transport. Pakistan operates 40 key air bases critical for border defense and regional operations. India controls 60 air bases, supporting one of the world's largest air forces. North Korea maintains 78 heavily fortified air bases across the country. UK holds 145 military air bases, many in strategic global locations. China runs 150 air bases across mainland and regional conflict zones. Russia operates 450 air bases inherited from Cold War military expansion. USA dominates with 750 air bases worldwide, ensuring unmatched global air power. Thanks for joining us till end.